Welcome to the another session. The topic name is strategic marketing planning and execution process. We need to talk in the specific lecture module. So strategic marketing planning and execution for startups, non-profits, B2B and B2C level. In today's dynamic business landscape, effective marketing is not just a luxury but a necessity for startups, non-profits, B2B and B2C. So whether you are launching a new product, raising awareness for a cause or expanding your client base, strategic marketing planning and execution, that process can make or break your success level. It's a comprehensive discussion to developing a robust marketing plan that aligns with your goals and maximize your resources. The first will be on developing a marketing plan. A well-crafted marketing plan, it serves as a roadmap that's guiding your organization towards its objectives while keeping your efforts focused on a measurable. Here are some essential steps to consider, starting from the set of clear objectives. Just to begin by defining a specific and measurable goals, whether it's increasing a brand awareness, boosting sales by a certain percentage, or reaching a fundraising target. Here, clarity in objectives is a very crucial part. According to the know your audience, just to conduct a thorough market research to understand your target audience demographics, or preferences and behaviors. These insights will shape your message and channel selection too. And just to clearly articulate what sets your product, services, or cause apart from our competitors. Your unique value proposition should resonate with your audience and highlight the benefits they will gain. So, based on your audience research, just to select the most effective channels to reach your target demographics. This could include like a digital channels, like a social media platforms, email marketing process, and the search engine optimization, as well as traditional channels, that is a print and a radio, or a combination thereof. Understand? And we have to outline the specific strategies for each chosen channel and the tactics that could include like content creation, paid advertising campaigns, influencer partnerships, or community outreach initiatives, everything. So just to establish the key performance indicators that align with your objectives, metrics, that could include like website traffic, conversion rates, and social media engagement or donation amounts too. So what are the budgeting and resource allocation? Budgeting, it plays a crucial role in determining the scale and effectiveness of your marketing efforts. We have to consider some of the following process and just to distribute your budget across the different marketing activities that's based on their potential return on investment, that's ROI, and just to balance immediate needs with the long-term brand building. Just allocate resources not only for acquisition, but we can say it also for retention and the customer loyalty programs. And just to regularly review your budget allocations in response to performance data and to shift resources to channels or tactics that demonstrate the highest return on investment. Understand? Okay, the next will be on creating a timeline and milestones. A timeline with a very clear milestones, it ensures accountability and it keeps your team focused on deadlines. That's how to structure it. We need to discuss about the milestone process. That's a break down your marketing plan into manageable phases with a specific milestones for each. And this could include like a campaign launch dates, content creation deadlines, or quarterly performance reviews. So we need to build in time for, as I told, like A/B testing, data analysis, and the campaign optimization. This iterative process is very essential for refining our strategies and improving outcomes over time. And just to schedule a regular checkpoints to assess progress that against milestones and KPIs, that's a key performance indicators, and use these reviews to celebrate a success, identify the challenges, and make necessary adjustments to your strategy. So effective marketing planning and execution are fundamental to achieving a sustainable growth and impact for startups, nonprofits, B2B and B2C organizations. By following these steps, developing a comprehensive marketing plan, it's a very important stage. That's allocating resources strategically and adhering to a well-defined timeline. You can optimize your efforts and achieve your marketing objectives efficiently. Remember that flexibility and responsiveness to market dynamics are key to staying competitive and relevant in today's rapidly evolving landscape. Okay, the next point we need to talk about mastering integrated marketing campaigns, a discussion for startups, nonprofits, B2B and B2C level. In today's dynamic digital landscape, implementing integrated marketing campaigns is a very crucial for startups, nonprofits, and businesses alike to reach their target audience effectively. Actually, by seamlessly blending various marketing channels and strategies, organizations they can amplify their message and achieve impactful results. There's a comprehensive discussion on how to navigate and excel in integrated marketing campaigns across different sectors. The first is implementing integrated marketing campaigns, starting from the cross-channel campaign integration. So integrated marketing involves a synchronization, various promotional elements to deliver a unified and a cohesive message to your audience. This is a very important approach. It ensures the consistency across the channels such as like social media, email marketing, content marketing, paid advertising, and much more. Yes, how to effectively integrate your campaigns. Just to start by outlining your specific goals here for your campaign, whether it's increasing a brand awareness or driving a sales or promoting an event, clarity on objectives that will guide your integrated efforts. and understand your target audience and segment them that based on our demographics, behaviors, and preferences, and just to tailor our messaging to resonate with each segment across different channels. And just to maintain a consistent branding element such as like logos, colors, and a tone of voice across all channels. This builds a brand recognition and strengthens your brand identity. And so each marketing channel complements the offers. For example, we can see the social media to amplify the content from your email campaigns or integrate user generated content into your paid advertising efforts. It's a very important step. So second point, we need to talk about campaign execution best practices. Executing integrated campaigns, it requires a meticulous planning and execution to maximize impact and engagement. So just to develop a comprehensive content calendar that outlines the specific activities, timelines, and responsibilities across all channels. Thus, this process keeps your team organized and ensures timely execution mode. And just to leverage analytics and insights from each channel to optimize your campaign in real time, and to monitor key metrics such as like engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversions to identify what's working and what needs adjustment. And just to tailor our messaging that's based on our customer preferences and behaviors. Personalization that enhances engagement and encourages customer loyalty. And we need to implement A/B testing to experiment with the different elements of your campaign, such as like headlines, visuals, or call to action buttons, everything. And just to use the results to refine your approach and improve your campaign performance. Understand? The third point, that's monitoring and adjusting campaigns in real time. So real-time monitoring, it's very essential for optimizing campaign performance and addressing issues promptly. We have to use analytics tools and dashboards to monitor the campaign performance across all channels, as I told on a yearly lecture. So just to track our real-time data to identify the trends, spot potential issues, and capitalize on opportunities. And we need to adjust our campaign strategy that's based on a real-time insights. If a particular channel or message is not performing as expected, we have to make a necessary adjustments to improve our results. Understand? So in today's fast-paced digital environment, agility is a very important process. So just to be prepared to adapt quickly to changes in a consumer behavior, market trends, or competitive landscape. So stay agile. And according to the communication and collaboration, foster open communication and collaboration that's among the team members responsible for different aspects of the campaign, regular meetings and status updates that ensure everyone is aligned and can address challenges effectively. So in a nutshell, we have to say integrated marketing campaigns that offer startups, nonprofits, and businesses. It's a powerful approach to engage audiences across multiple channels effectively. By integrating strategies, maintaining consistency, and leveraging real-time insights, organizations that can enhance brand visibility, drive engagement, and achieve their marketing objectives. So embrace the visibility of integrated marketing in a properly organization forward in today's competitive marketplace. The next step, we need to talk about measuring success and iterative improvement. So in the specific slide, we delve into the essential aspects of measuring success and iterative improvement in marketing campaigns across these diverse sectors. Starting from the reviewing campaign performance that against objectives, it's a very important step. Every marketing initiative that begins with a clear objectives. Whether your goal is to increase a brand awareness, drive a business traffic or website traffic, generate leads, boost sales, or promote a cause, it's defining measurable objectives is a very crucial part exactly. So these objectives, it serves as a benchmark that against which you will evaluate your campaign success. So what are the key steps we have to follow? That's a SMART goals. We need to the first step. Just to set a specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, it provides a concrete foundation for your campaign. And depending on your goals, metrics that could include like a website traffic, conversion rates, social media engagement, email open rates, sales revenue, donor contributions, or volunteer signups. And just to use analytics tools to track a performance throughout the campaign period, this allows you to make a timely adjustments and optimize your efforts. And benchmarking that against the past performance or industry standards, it provides a context for evaluating the process. The second point, that's the continuous improvement strategies. In marketing, there is always room for improvement, exactly. So just a continuous improvement is not just about fixing what's broken, but enhancing what works and exploring new opportunities. Some of the effective strategies we have to discuss now. So just to experiment with the different elements of your campaign. Example, ad copy, visuals, landing pages to identify the what resonates best with your audience. That is A/B testing we have to say now. And actively seek and analyze the feedback from your target audience. This can come from surveys basis, social media comments, or direct interactions. And study competitor strategies to uncover new tactics or identify the gaps in the market you can exploit. And embrace the marketing technology tools that automate process, it provide a deeper insights and enhance the proficiency mode. Okay, the final point, that's a post-campaign analysis and lessons learned. At the end of the campaign is just the beginning of its evaluation phase. Just to conducting a thorough post-campaign analysis, that's a very important part. That process helps you understand what worked well and what did not meet expectations and what lessons can be applied to future initiatives. So some of the key components of a post-campaign analysis we have to discuss now. We need to compare actual results that against your predefined goals and the KPIs, and just identify any significant deviations and their underlying causes, and just to calculate the return on investment to determine the campaign's financial effectiveness, and gather insights from our stakeholders, our team members, and customers to gain a holistic understanding of the campaign's impact. And finally, document some of the key findings, successes, failures, and actionable insights to inform our future strategies and avoid repeating mistakes. Okay. So, in a conclusion, we need to focus measuring success and embracing iterative improvement are integral to achieving sustainable growth and impact in the marketing. Whether you are navigating the competitive landscape for startups, driving social change through nonprofits, facilitating B2B relationships, or engaging directly with the consumers, by setting a clear objectives, leveraging data-driven insights, and adopting a mindset of a continuous improvement, it can not only optimize your current campaigns, but it also pave the way for future successes in an ever-evolving marketing landscape. Remember that each campaign is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and refine your approach to your students. Just embrace the journey of a growth and transformation that effective marketing strategies can bring to your organization or venture. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the another session of the topic of strategic marketing planning and execution. Thank you once again, and thank you, my dear students.